Okay, I'm back. I made coffee and opened mail from yesterday and such. So 15 minutes has gone by or thereabouts. And it says, do not move or touch the card during the time you wait. Wait 15 minutes, read the results at 15 minutes. Do not read the results before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes. I don't know why that. Okay, so I was watching a podcast. It was a Tim Ferriss podcast that I don't usually watch, but he had an episode that I was watching that he got COVID. And did he say he was vaccinated? I think he is vaccinated, he said. He had a theory as to why he got it, but he was traveling. He said to South by Southwest Festival. So he thought he got it in an airport van. But when you travel, you go on an airplane, you go to a festival where there's all these people. So who knows? I haven't traveled. I try not to travel now. And for Thanksgiving, I stayed home because I wasn't feeling so great. I had that dizziness, and I was afraid I was going to drive, and I would impact my neck muscles, and I'd get dizzy again. And I was just not dizzy because I had gone to the chiropractor the day before. So I stayed home and all by myself. So I wasn't around people. I'm double vaccinated. I have my booster shot. I have my Pfizer 2 shots, and then I got was it a month ago or so? I'd have to look, but I got my booster shot Pfizer also about a month ago. I'd have to look on the calendar. And yeah, I wear my mask in public. I stay 6 feet away from people usually. I do most of my socializing outside on doggy walks. So I don't even know why I got a cold, because wearing my mask, not being around people, and sanitizing my hands quite a lot. I must have slipped up and touched something and touched my face, because I do slip up accidentally. But I try to sanitize a lot. I even have a sanitizer in my car, door, pocket. So, I don't know. But I've been really stressed out lately, and I haven't been getting much sleep. So, and it started raining, and it's been cold, and I've been running in the rain, so I got a cold. So, the reason I think I just have a cold is because I'm looking at my test results down here. And my results so far, about 15 minutes, maybe 17 minutes, is negative. So let me put the light down here. Let's see. I hope you guys could see. But here's the test card. Here's the little window, and the line up here is one pink line on top. And I will show you guys that in a second. We'll let it wait and give it even more time. But the instructions say if it's positive, you'll see 2 lines. A pink line at top and a purple line at the bottom. 2 separate lines, one on top and one on bottom. Or a faint line on the bottom. A negative result is just 1 pink line on top. And that's what I have. Yay! So I took a test Wednesday, and today is Sunday. So I've given days past to see if anything comes up during that time, because I think you can test positive during quite a range. 5 days, 10 days of being sick, 5 days of being sick. So you don't get test positive right away, even once you start symptoms. So now I think I can hold this up. It's been long enough that I can move, and I'll show you my little card. So here's the swab stick, and Hopefully, let me put on my glasses. Hopefully you can see. At the top, it's hard to see in here, but maybe if I turn off the light. I'll turn off the light. In the little window, there's a faint pink line up top. So that means it's negative. And if there were two lines like this picture shows, one at the top and one at the bottom, that would be positive. So at the top, there's a faint pink line up there. This little window. See it? So, yay, once again, I am negative. Very happy about that. So it says, share the result with your healthcare provider. I didn't see a healthcare provider. A second test should be obtained over 3 days with at least 36 hours between tests, and that's what I did. What do you do if it's positive? They said a positive can even be a faint line at the bottom, but I don't even have a faint line. I have good glasses on. So I assume, so you can, I guess, I don't know, take this, no, it says don't read it after 30 minutes, but you can take a picture. There's this little code on the card, scan code, and there's a scan code on the box, so I don't know. If you're positive, are you supposed to report it to somebody? I have no idea because thank goodness so far I've just had, it says, I guess you talk to your healthcare provider. So it says throw it away when you're done. So we will throw it away. So that's how you do. As far as I know, I'm just an average citizen. Let me put my light back up. That's how you do a home BinaxNOW COVID-19 test, as far as I can tell. Abbott Labs. I'm not a doctor. I'm just an average person. I bought it myself. This is not the original receipt, but because I bought this original one a few months ago before my surgery in August, so in August. But this is the receipt for my most recent one. So I buy them myself, and now I have one left from the second box because I used a previous one from another box that I had. So I'm happy that I was able to get more test kits so I can have them at home, just in case of things like this when you get a cold or you're going on a trip or you're going to see family or going to work, or I have a hair appointment today, so I wanted to make extra sure that it's just a cold. I think I'm going to wear 2 masks at my hair appointment. I'm going to tell her I have a little cold too. Because I'll reschedule it. So yeah, I'm just an average person. I live in the United States of America in Washington State, and this was $23.95 for the box of 2 kits, United States, US dollars, $23.99 now. I got a shopping bag fee. What? It was pickup. I bought it on the website, and then I went to pick it up, and they charged me 8 cents for the little bag. That's ridiculous. Oh well. And at Walgreens, if you sign up, you can get rewards. So I got a reward. Oh, I redeemed a reward. So anyway, doesn't matter. Wherever you can get it, they've just been really helpful. Their drive-through was great. When I did it in August, it was quick. I got the results in an hour. And they're the ones that have the home test. So, yeah, I want to let you guys know how I follow the instructions for mine, because it's really scary when you're in the midst and you're stressed out. So I hope this helps somebody. I'm not a healthcare professional. This is just an average person. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if it's helpful below. Take care. Yay for negative tests. Bye.